You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this instrument. In the original Italian pronunciation, this is said as viola da gamba, viola da gamba. Now in English it is generally said as either viola da gamba, or also as viola da gamba, from Italian viola da gamba. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.